In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept PayPal in Squarespace. If you're running an online store or planning to start one, having PayPal as a payment option is a smart move. It's one of the most widely used and trusted payment platforms in the world, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have PayPal fully integrated into your Squarespace site, ensuring a seamless checkout experience for your customers. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, log into your Squarespace account. This is the essential starting point because it gives you access to your website's dashboard and all the tools you'll need to complete this setup. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. From there, navigate to the Settings menu. This section is where you manage many of your website's features, including the payment options which we'll be working with today. Next, locate either the Selling section or, depending on your template, it might be called Commerce. In some cases, you might see one term instead of the other, so keep an eye out for both. This is the part of the dashboard that contains all the tools you'll need to manage your online store, including the settings for payment methods. Once you're in the Selling or Commerce section, select Payments from the available options. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'll configure how transactions are processed on your site to begin integrating PayPal. Click on the PayPal option. Now, keep in mind that you must have an active Squarespace business plan or higher to enable PayPal as a payment method. If you're currently on a lower plan, you'll need to upgrade. Don't worry, Squarespace will guide you through the upgrade process with prompts on your dashboard. The business plan unlocks selling features, including PayPal integration, so it's a necessary step. Once you've confirmed that you're on the right plan, follow the instructions to log into your PayPal business account when prompted. A quick note here, a personal PayPal account won't work for this integration. You'll need a business account to ensure compatibility with Squarespace's policies and to provide professional payment processing for your customers. If you don't have a PayPal business account yet, it's worth setting one up. It's free and straightforward. After logging in, you'll need to confirm the connection between Squarespace and PayPal. This step is crucial as it securely links the two platforms together, enabling PayPal as a payment option on your Squarespace site. Once the connection is complete, watch for a confirmation message indicating that PayPal has been successfully linked. This confirmation is an important indicator that everything is set up properly. Now that PayPal is connected, it's time to test the checkout process. Go through your website's purchasing steps as if you were a customer, and make sure that PayPal appears as an available payment method at checkout. Testing this ensures that the integration is functioning correctly and gives you peace of mind knowing that your customers will have a smooth and seamless experience. And there you have it. That's how you integrate PayPal into your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your customers to shop with you, and you've opened the door to more sales by offering one of the most trusted payment methods available. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.